We about to make some onion water, y'all. So stay tuned.
Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
What is going on, y'all? It is Ebony here, and I know y'all see this onion. We are about to make onion water to put in our hair. It's supposed to aid in like hair growth and all this other stuff, and I will get more into detail when I do this voiceover and when I do this research. But it's supposed to be good for your hair, so I'm going to try it. This right here, I don't know if y'all remember, but my clove water, this has been marinating in my refrigerator for a while now. And since I don't just want pure onion juice in my head because of the smell, I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add a little clove water to hopefully help cut the smell, you know? So let's get to it.
So the first thing we have to do is cut this onion up small enough that it will fit into a food processor, or if you're anything like me, I got a NutriBullet that I'm going to be using in this video. So you want to cut that onion up real good, and then I am going to add a little bit of my clove water that I talked about a little bit beforehand. But anyway, let's get into the benefits of onion water. So, when onion water is added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Y'all, don't smell that. Do not smell it. Do not smell it how much you want to. The smell didn't hit me right away, but when it did, my whole face was on fire. Okay? Alrighty. Right now I am straining my onion mixture, my onion concoction with a milk nut bag. If you have cheesecloth or anything similar, use that. I wanted to use my milk nut bag because I feel like this is more stable and it strains better than just cheesecloth. But I could be wrong. I got this from Amazon and it was amazing. Okay. Anyway, the sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Y'all, my whole house smell like onions right now. All this blending up and straining of stuff. Real musty around there, real musty. That is the word of the day, as musty. Anyway, as you can see, I'm trying to make sure I get all that good juice out of that bag because I honestly didn't know how much I was going to need and how often I planned on doing this. What I'm about to show you is the leftover. Look at that. I was going to wash that bag, but I was just like, nah, we just going to throw that away. Because just as soon as I would have threw that in the washing machine, whole washing machine, musty. You guessed it. At this point, y'all, I would say let your onion water sit a little while just in case you need to restrain it. So I'm taking this time to clean up my kitchen just to help get that smell out of the house, to be honest. I'm not even going to lie to you. So just clean up. I did end up letting my onion water sit for about 2-ish days, I think, before I strained it again. And yes, everyone, you will see it again. You will see that too. Like I just mentioned, I did let that onion water sit, and you can see like I have some sediments that ended up floating down, sinking to the bottom. I really don't know what it is, but I'm 100% sure it is onion. And yes, that whole container still smells like onion. When I strained it, I did catch a few things, but not as much pulp as I originally thought. So I honestly just think that was just the onion and the clove water separating into two equal parts. Well, not equal parts, but you know what I'm trying to say. It's separated from each other. And this is what I was left with. Beautiful. And since I did not want to ruin my pure clove water spray bottle, I found another spray bottle I had in the house just randomly, and I decided to dedicate this one bottle to onion and cloves. If you already have a spray bottle, please feel free to use that, but I was not trying to take any chances. And yes, I'm going to add some more clove water to it, just because clove water does have some awesome benefits, and I'm trying any and everything to not smell like onions.
So I finished making the clove and onion water for my hair, and y'all, it still smells musty, but I'm about to go and do my hair and spray it all in there and let it sit, and we'll see how this goes, okay? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you come back next week to see if my hair smelled musty or not. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment down below. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and I hope you guys have a safe week. Peace.